Look at. Which one you like? Which one? Scramble, scramble. You like this part here? Part. This here. This one here. And this remote, nothing. Which one you like? Choose. Wow! Ooh. Sure, that's your final answer. No more. You like that one? Wala na. Uy! Wow! Uy, remote control mo nang nanalo. Alin bang gusto mo? Huh? Oh, you're more interested in the remote control. Oh my G. Grabe ang effort ni Mami. See? See? DIY. DIY. Sprite na... Ay, no! Don't eat. Sprite na container. Yung maliit. Nilagyan ng fasteners. Oh, old fastener with colors. Red, green, blue, yellow, and this is spice container. It's glass with brown rice, brown and white rice inside. It makes incredible sound. And this one is stress ball from Avent Philips. See? But she likes remote control. Remote control. I know! No! 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 We also have other sensory items. Which one you like? This one or just the water? Which one? Which one you like, baby? Which one you like? Oy, water. By the way, this water is purified. The water inside, it's locked. It cannot be opened. DIY. And this one is made of marbles and some bingo balls. Bakit walang letter? Yeah. Let's sleep na. Okay, bye-bye guys. See you in our next video.